I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Yukon Glory Condiment Organizer. So this is a really great organizer for outside if you're going to do a picnic or barbecue. I've got it out here on my outside table. Some restaurants even use this on their outside tables. And it's really great because it has different compartments to organize everything you need for your picnic or barbecue. So firstly, it's made out of solid metal, so it's really sturdy and really easy to have outdoors for an extended time. And I load mine up in advance of a barbecue or picnic, depending on what I'm going to serve. But one thing that's nice is it has these built-in compartments for salt and pepper and these little dispensers, so you can easily put your salt and pepper and have that there all the time. I just keep mine out there all the time. Then we've got this compartment here where you can put your flatware. So if you're going to have, disposable like forks, knives, and spoons, you can put those in there. Or if you're going to use metal ones, you can put them in there too, and it keeps them upright and easy for your guests to access. And then finally, we've got this compartment around the outside on both sides here, where you can put condiment bottles, and you can actually put 4 or 5 of those depending on what you're going to use. And that could be your ketchups and your mustards and hot sauces and that kind of thing. And I really like that it's easy to put those in there and to keep them organized. And again, you can swap in whatever you want for a particular event. And then the final piece here, you can actually use this little loop as a napkin holder and put some napkins in between here and make it easy for your guests to grab those. All really good quality. Again, I like that this can sit outside. It's nice and weighted, so it's not going to fly away in the wind or anything. And it feels really rugged and has this nice kind of, metal kind of shiny look to it. Looks very kind of industrial, modern, and works great for any of your outdoor events. Or if you've got a small restaurant, you're looking for something to put on a new outside table, this is a great way to organize condiments and that kind of thing for your outside restaurant as well.